Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm gonna show you this easy twisted ponytail hairstyle. So yeah, let's start it. So first of all, take some hair from the front and secure it with the elastic rubber. Now flip this tiny ponytail into the inside direction. And stretch some hair to make it messier. And I'm going to pull out some hair from the front also to create some volume. Now take some hair from both the side and grab it together and secure it with the elastic rubber. Now flip it into the inside direction. And pull out some hair to create some volume. Now grab all the hair and secure it with the rubber band. Now take a small strand and wrap it around the rubber band to hide it completely, and that's it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have mentioned my ID on the screen, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.